Trying to make sense of the world? Need some global perspective? Check out Gale In Context Global Issues. Click for fast access to hot topics. Browse all issues, or choose a category. Assess your interest in the topic. Build background knowledge with a variety of featured content. Explore viewpoints for international attitudes. Engage with multimedia coverage. Multiple source types and recent coverage strengthen your understanding. Click to add limiters. And view sources. Save useful results. Start your works cited with the included citation, or use the Cite tool to cite in MLA, APA, or Chicago format.